Let's get real for a moment. Does it feel like you're running faster just to stay in the same place? The bills keep climbing, groceries cost more, and your paycheck seems to shrink. You're working hard, doing everything you're supposed to do, but there's a nagging feeling: is this sustainable? The world is shifting and the old rules of success no longer apply. This isn't about blaming you. You're not failing, you're caught in a global transformation. The traditional path of a stable job for life is gone. Technology, especially AI, is rewriting the rules. Your job, my job, everyone's job is at risk. Not because we aren't good enough, but because work itself is changing. Companies want efficiency and lower costs. AI delivers both without a salary or vacation. This is the reality of 2025. Ignoring it is like ignoring a rising tide. So, what does this mean for you? You're at a pivotal moment. Let the wave crash over you or learn to surf. The future isn't something that happens to us. It's something we create. AI job replacement isn't a distant threat. It's happening now. Tech giants like Google and Microsoft are laying off workers, shifting to AI-driven efficiency. Automation is everywhere. Self-checkouts, customer service bots, AI in fast food and finance. Even jobs once considered safe. Lawyers, accountants, creatives are being transformed by AI. The belief that education or creativity is a permanent shield is dangerous. This isn't to scare you, but to empower you. Awareness is the first step. The robots are here, and they're clocking in for work. If your main income vanished tomorrow, what would you do? Most people have no backup plan. Relying on a single job is risky in today's world. True security now comes from multiple income streams and owning your own assets. Your employer, your industry, the economy, none are fully in your control. A side hustle or online business isn't a luxury anymore, it's essential. Stop waiting for the perfect time. The risk of inaction grows every day. Move your backup plan from someday to right now. Build the supports that give you real stability no matter what comes. Let's flip the script. AI isn't just a threat, it's your biggest opportunity. The same technology disrupting jobs can help you build a business faster and cheaper than ever. AI democratizes entrepreneurship. With a few tools, you can be your own team. Need copy, a website, or visuals? AI can do it in minutes. What once took teams and weeks, you can do solo in an afternoon. AI levels the playing field, removing barriers that kept people from starting. You don't need to be a tech wizard or have deep pockets. All you need is an idea, a willingness to learn, and the drive to act. This technology is for you, the side hustler, the dreamer, the builder. This isn't theory, it's happening now. Regular people are using AI to build businesses from scratch. Sarah, a stay-at-home mom, used AI to create and sell digital art on Etsy, handling everything from design to marketing. David, an accountant, launched a Faceless YouTube channel using AI for scripts, voiceovers, and editing, earning side income in months. Maria, a student, used AI to research, write, and publish ebooks, earning royalties while in class. None of them are tech experts or millionaires. They took initiative and used AI to turn ideas into reality. You don't need a fancy degree or big startup fund. If they can do it, so can you. The opportunity is real and accessible right now. There's real urgency here. The window for AI-powered business is wide open, but it won't last. AI tools that seem magical today will be standard tomorrow. Right now, you're ahead of the curve. Most people are still just talking about AI. Think of the early days of the internet. Those who started early had a huge advantage. Soon, using AI will be the baseline just to compete. The best business ideas are available now, but will be crowded later. Life isn't getting cheaper, and waiting for the perfect moment is a trap. The perfect moment is when you decide to act. Every day you wait is a day you could be building your future. Don't let procrastination steal your opportunity. The time to build your future is now. Feeling inspired but overwhelmed? Getting started is easier than you think. Here are 3 simple, proven models you can start this week. First, create and sell digital products, ebooks or online courses. AI helps with research, writing, and design. Create once, sell forever. Second, start a faceless YouTube automation channel. AI can generate ideas, scripts, voiceovers, and edit videos. No camera needed. Third, launch a print-on-demand store. Use AI to create unique designs for t-shirts, mugs, and more. No inventory risk. AI handles the creative and marketing work, letting you launch fast. These are just examples. The possibilities are endless. Pick one path that excites you and take the first step. Don't try to do everything at once. Start small. One design, one chapter, one video script. The goal is momentum, not perfection. Small steps lead to big results. Which path will you choose today? We've covered the risks and the opportunities of this new world. You've seen real people succeed with AI, and you know you don't need to be a tech genius. The only thing left is your decision to act. You can go back to your routine and hope things get better, or you can take action. Hope is not a plan. Action is what creates change and security. Imagine yourself a year from now. Do you want to be in the same spot, or building your own business and future? That future is possible if you start today. You have the tools, the knowledge, and the drive. The world isn't waiting for you. Don't wait for it. Take charge. Seize this moment. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is now. Your future is calling. Go build something amazing.